I forgot to say that Bishop is also my member.
Only where we live, also in the whole country, we are seeing things and gender. And again, issues of
ambayo ni kuweka matumaini wiki.
We used to go to Nakuru, all of us.
Now we have a case in Kipipiri where mzee alikufa.
We need to remove our people from Njohi. I'm happy Bishop Kariuki told me it is no longer Njohi, as far as I'm concerned, no Njohi, whether it's white, blue, green or yellow. So with due respect to all those who use it, inaitwa nini? Mkate ya Roho Mtakatifu, mnaitaje? Sacramento must be dipped in something that is not tea. What is it? A bit of wine. If you asked me, I would request the church to change that into juice. This one we're drinking. Very nice. What's the difference? But I'm happy Bishop has already done it. Bishop is using the juice in here and America. Bishop told me in America it was removed because whenever they test that one, it triggered some thirst in them. Am I right, Bishop? So even if you have been rehabilitated and you go to the church to take the sacrament, you are finding the same enemy that you are running from here in the place you are running for refuge. We need to do that, and it cannot come from Europe. Let it come from us. Sheikh, iko sacrament kwetu? But it was there for the first part of, there was wine and beer in the first part of Islamic Advent.